synchronized swimming. So once again, for all those, we are going to ask at this time, go ahead and stand on out, climb on out. I know that my fellows are going to be using the sides, so we are going to be asking that you make your way just past the edge, all right?
We're not going, we're already here. We're sitting at our table at dinner. We do have a window view. And we're at dinner, and it's formal night tonight. So it should be good. And we're both pretty hungry, so let's see what we get.
Oh, yeah. We'll bring that menu to you.
Right there.
Terry's first appetizer, linguine alfredo, salad.
Red salad.
I got
It looks kind of
clam chowder, escargot, which I've never seen them put it in a bowl like that.
Thank you.
And Max for the spaghetti.
Next, it looks kind of.
Terry got the filet. I got the crab cake and shrimp.
Thank you, sir.
And chicken.
Oh, come on
And Max
now.
got the filet. Max was the only one that got dessert. His orange sherbet and vanilla ice cream. Terry got nothing. I got nothing. Leftover chicken.
The trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home. Come on, everybody, to the place where I belong, West Virginia. And painted on the sky, misty days of moonshine, teardrops in my eye. Country roads, take me home. Let's go.
For some more fun as we celebrate with our senior officers. Welcome on in.
Where we're going?
Now we're finished with dinner. It's formal night, and we're going to the comedy show.
All right.
So we'll see if it's funny. It was good last night. We really liked it. So
All
we'll
right.
see.
We'll see you there. All right, making our way. Steakhouse. People eating steak. There's that nice casino. Been very nice to me today. Bonsai Sushi. And the Alchemy Bar. Heading back to
This is the first time when I met you, chocolatini.
yeah.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you and enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, she didn't hit her face.
So with the love, really. Wow.
Very pretty.
Thank you. Good tired evening.
What?
Good tired evening.
Good tired.
Yeah, we're going to bed. It's early too. She's not going to bed. She's going to read. I'm going to bed.
He's so
Because
tired.
somebody stayed up till 2:30 this
You
morning.
took a half-hour nap.
Oh wow, half
I
hour.
stayed up pretty late. Got up early.
Anyway,
Anyway, the comedy was very, very funny tonight. I liked it a lot. It was a nice evening. We had a great day. I'm reading my book. Can't wait to finish it.
yep.
And I got a lot of sun. It was a wonderful day. It was really, really good.
1C day down. I did good in the casino and I forgot to videotape it. Won on 2 separate machines, back to back. Walked out of there with a lot of money.
I lost
And
$40.
She lost $40
I don't
tonight,
want to tell people, but I did.
and I put 100 of it back tonight. So she's not she cheapskate.
40 bucks.
40
What
bucks.
even fun?
Anyway, so tomorrow, another sea day, so it'll probably be a short video as well. So we'll
Short
see you
video?
tomorrow. Yeah, we don't do a whole lot. We do. Oh yeah, we're gonna play pickleball in the morning.
Pickleball, we're gonna go walking, we've got a lot to do.
So what she said.
Yeah, that's what we'll do.
right.
Awesome.
So we'll see you in the morning. Toodaloo. And we drink those because
Oh, this one here is really, really good, and she been decorated it for us, which is really good.
I can tell how good it is.
She decorated it for us. It was very pretty and very good, and it was so good for us.
Right.
Party or two cruising right this time.
See you in the morning.
Cheers.